Go ahead and get it. Market is open. Let's have a good trading session. So off the rip, market is shooting up to the moon. It is going cray cray. Again, let's not chase anything. What are you going off to get your zones? That is a question for a lesson, brother. I am just going off on previous levels of support, previous levels of resistance, and then just playing it from there. Okay. Brent already with the quick trade. Quick fingers on first 20 seconds in market open. Let's go. But yeah, you guys know me. I never trade the first 1 minute or 2 minutes of market open here. So again, I'm waiting just for to make sure that Mark is going to decide and pick direction here. Wow, look at that candle sweep. Well, that's a quick change of direction right there. So yep, candle never closed above 25 to 85 here. So since candle never closed above 25 to 85, I'm not really interested just yet. It has to close above that for me to want to look for longs. Brent, you got lucky, man. If you didn't get out on that high. Kinda. So again, guys, I'm just waiting for market direction. We are still trading below the view up on the 2-minute time frame. We are trying to come back up above here. I'm just trying to see if we can actually get the move long here. But again, we're waiting. I want to get a closure above 25 to 83, 284 here to then decide to go long. But it's just trying to figure itself out. We have no news either, so that is a good thing. All we're just waiting for is good price action, good momentum, and for the market to figure itself out here. All right. I do have an alert set for gold, so I'm gonna wait to see if that gets to that level. We are trying to come up here, but again, just waiting. I gotta get a closure above here, guys. It's trying. I'm not gonna chase it either. I'm gonna wait for candle closure, just so we don't get wiki. And I'll probably go long at once this candle closes in 10 seconds here. I'll probably go in at the high. All right, I'm going at the high, guys.
Order filled.
All right, got filled. Going long. Very quick scalp. Oh my gosh. I really want to see if this really has that room here. Wow.
Order filled.
Wow. All right, I'm going to get out right there. I'm out right there. That was very quick. Got in at the highs right here. Got out right there. Quick scalp. Gold is actually starting to sell off as well. Well, that was pretty. If anybody else caught that, nice. Hopefully you guys did. I know that was kind of fast, but that was kind of simple as well. Waited for candle closure, next candle move. Still in it, let's go. I always like taking the first trade of the day. I always like taking a slight. I went in about 5 NQs on that, so I went in a little heavy. So that's why I kind of decided to get out pretty early on that. So up 1.7K on the day. Let's go. I like that. That was nice. Hope everybody else is still trading. Now, if you guys are still in this, have a take profit, right? Have a take profit. Have an area where it's like, okay, this makes sense to get out. You know, don't just chase it. Don't just try to, you know, wish that it goes all the way to the moon and continues going up. Like, you want to have a reason why you're exiting and a reason why you're entering. Anybody else catch that trade? Anybody catch that trade, team? Again, if you guys are good and content with that one trade, be done for the day. You know, 6 minutes in the market open, and if you're content, be content. You know, I know it's like sometimes like, dude, I only trade for 6 minutes. Yeah, sometimes that's all you need. 6 minutes and you're there. 6 minutes and that's it. You know. You know. Now we're pulling on back here. Hit a resistance level at around 25,356. 25,356. Why is it a resistance level? 50%. That actually does make sense. So guys, I usually go in on pretty heavy once I'm like pretty confident in the trade. So once I started seeing volume really rip up here, I was confident going in 5 NQs for a very quick scalp. That's how like, and that it really depends upon how I take the trade. Like if I want to go in heavy, I'm going to go in on a very quick scalp. If I go in like average size, I'll hold the trade a little longer. It all depends upon how heavy I want to go in to and so forth, right? So now we are falling back here. Let's see what happens. It's crazy though, the market, like, that's what I just don't like about NQ lately, guys. Like, we rip, we come all the way back down. We rip, we come all the way back down. Like, that's not an uptrend. That's just choppity, uppity, whatever one you call it. So, I mean, it's trying to come back up here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a... continuation move to the upside here. So for me, we want to go long. We have to hold above this zone and then see if this is like a lower high or a higher high, higher low situation. We are trading above all the moving averages though, so that's a good thing. But we have to see buyers really step back up in here. And we're not just going to sell all the way back off. If we sell all the way off, that'll be kind of lame. I definitely want to see the market kind of recover from how much we've been down.
Order
so
filled.
We'll see here.
Order filled.
All right, it's coming back up here. We have to get a closure above 25,321 here. 25,321. If we get a closure above here, it's looking good for a continuation play. Uh, 3 seconds to new candle.